Our next thing that we wanted to bring up is Windows 10 finally re-releases the October 2018 update. This fixes that data deletion bug. Now, this bug was kind of scary. People were installing the update, and all of a sudden, the data on their drive, files, pictures, spreadsheets were being deleted by Microsoft.
That's downright scary.
It's scary because I don't think a lot of people back up their data. I know personally I use Google Docs, Google Drive for most of my things. But when you're at work, you probably don't put your work spreadsheets up on the Google Docs, do you?
No,
Could you imagine if someone came in and updated your software and then all of your hard work just disappeared, or your pictures of your loved ones? It doesn't sound very fun. And so
no, it'd be terrible.
The software giant says there were only a few reports of data loss. They said 1/100th%. So they fully investigated all the reports of data loss and identified and fixed the known issue. So the issue turns out to be it was people that were connecting their folders in a way that it was like a shortcut. And that sounds like something maybe a power user would do, or something that you or me would do, and that's why the update's kind of scary. So it appears that the bug that caused the file deletion was related to Windows 10 users who had enabled Known Folder Redirection to redirect folders like desktop, documents, pictures, and screenshots from the default location. So again, if you're a regular user, if you're not really changing things up, you wouldn't have had to be worried in the first place. But if you're a power user and if you like to organize where your documents are, it's very possible that your data could have been deleted. So make sure to check that out. And that raises a good question. I mean, do you trust updates, Matt? Do you always do the latest updates?
I usually do, absolutely, because often, especially with Windows 10, it's a security update. And we already know that we are not secure at all. So I'd be happy to have any security update I can get. So yeah, I trust them, and I just click, sure, go ahead. And then I sit there and tap my fingers while it goes through the reboot and install process.
But it's fascinating to think that we're trusting, this company, and then all of a sudden the files are deleted, right?
Boom.
I mean, it's kind of scary. I'll be honest, I usually wait a week or two, especially for my phone. I have not updated to iOS 12 yet. I'm still on 11. I know they have a really great beta testing process, but I usually give it a few months before I switch over. I'm a little bit stubborn.
Yeah, I got you on that one. One thing I got to say is I am impressed with how quickly updates are coming out for Windows 10 now. It seems to be a lot faster than in the past and other versions of Windows, even faster than Apple. Apple did a great job doing that with my Mac until it stopped working. But we're not going to talk about that. I'm frustrated it shouldn't have done that. But anyways, the updates are coming fast and furious. I personally trust them, and it's just downright scary that I could have lost things like family photos. But thankfully, I do put most of my documents in the cloud, especially photos.
Photos, great.